Find or read reviews that people are talking about VUSIGN Air Purifier for home dorm room up to 1110 square feet. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. High efficiency H13 HEPA filtration. Advanced multi-stage system with a cleanable pre-filter and H13 true HEPA filter captures 99.97% of fine airborne particles, dust, pet hair, pollen, household smoke, and more. A reliable air purifier for home use to keep your indoor air fresh and clean. Coverage up to 1110 square feet. With a CADR of 143 cfm, this compact air purifier is ideal for medium-sized spaces. Whether you're looking to improve air quality in your bedroom, office, small living room, or shared apartment, it provides efficient purification to create a cleaner, fresher environment. Real-time air quality display. Stay informed at a glance with the color-coded LED ring and digital display. In auto mode, the smart air purifier automatically adjusts fan speed based on detected air quality, no guesswork required. Wi-Fi enabled app control. Easily manage your Wi-Fi air purifier from anywhere with the user-friendly mobile app. Set schedules, adjust modes, monitor real-time conditions, or check filter life anytime. Quiet sleep mode technology. Runs as quietly as 25 decibels with lights dimmed, making it an ideal air purifier for bedroom use. Perfect for children's rooms, light sleepers, or anyone who values a restful night's sleep. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.